Hi, I'm Nish Mohan, Undercarriage Specialist, and today we're going to talk about custom track service available from your CAT dealer. An improperly managed undercarriage can account for more than half of a machine's operating costs. When you purchase a new CAT undercarriage, you'll be enrolled in Custom Track Service, our comprehensive program for managing your undercarriage system, which uses the most advanced diagnostic equipment available to help control costs and downtime. So how does it work? With Custom Track Service, you qualify for free undercarriage inspections from a trained technician who uses the latest technology to accurately monitor undercarriage performance and predict wear rates, evaluate service options and plan your maintenance, gather data to tailor a service strategy to meet your equipment planning needs, and allow you to make informed decisions about maintenance and investigate any issues with your undercarriage before they become serious. The benefits are huge. Custom Track Service can help manage and maximize undercarriage life, enables more efficient planning for better availability, uses analysis to enhance maintenance and service strategies, and helps keep your operating costs on track. On top of this, when your new CAT undercarriage is enrolled in Custom Track Service program, you are eligible to receive free extended undercarriage coverage beyond the standard parts warranty through the Track Assurance program. Undercarriage Track Assurance covers all major moving undercarriage components on CAT track-type tractors, track-type loaders, and hydraulic excavators. To learn more about Custom Track Service and Track Assurance, speak to your CAT dealer.